Hello guys, Steven here. Welcome to this video. So in this video, it's going to be a little bit different. I'm going to share you some of my trading journeys and how do I want to move forward with this channel. So I started this channel back in 2016. After a year, I was being profitable in the trading industry. For the last 2 to 3 years, we have done tons of videos about risk management, different tickers and recaps, and some of the trading mentalities that you should have. You can slowly see that my profit is going from 700,000 a year to 1.5 million to 2 million to 3 million, then to 5 and 10 million last year. And as you know, that in the last 2 years, we have gone through a lot of activities, especially in trading, that there's GME, tons of tickers going up 200 to 300% on a day. So I was being really busy about adapting to the market and how do I improve my trading performance overall. So haven't given too much of thought process into the YouTube videos. As I'm getting better in trading, all of the basic information that I learned as a beginner doesn't seem very important. It feels like to me that I'm trying to cover the basic information that's not very good for beginners. I don't know if that makes sense. So going into the future, if you guys have any topics for me to cover, please leave a comment below. I know we're not very active on the replying the comments part, but I do read every single one of your guys' comment. If you have any detailed, more of a beginner topic or more advanced topic as well, especially in this penny stock sector or microcap sectors, you can leave a comment below and I will select probably most of them that's attractive for beginners and also that's benefiting for the entire community. I will definitely do a video for that. So other than that, well, hopefully you guys are staying profitable and make sure, as we always talked about in every single video, that learn from your mistakes, be willing to face your mistakes and try to improve from your mistakes. That's how you get better. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one.